G'day folks, and welcome to the Frustrated Dropshipper. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to change your store name. So I don't know if you've ever looked into it before. It's kind of a pet peeve of mine, I guess, but Shopify does allow you to change your store name, and it does allow you to change your domain name, but it does not allow you to change your actual store URL. So although you can go in and change what you need for your actual store, the actual URL where you log in won't change. So for example, this store here that I use for this channel is called the Frustrated Dropshipper, and the Shopify domain name is frustrated-dropshipper.myshopify.com. I don't have a domain registered to connect to this domain, so this is the actual domain name. Now if I decide in the future that I'm going to change this to the Happy Dropshipper, I can no longer use that URL because it doesn't make sense. So if I change the store name to Happy and I change everything else on the store to Happy, the URL is still going to be the frustrated-dropshipper.myshopify.com. It's not a big deal if your store name is linked to if your store is linked to a domain, because all you have to do at that point is change your domain and change your store name and everything is fine. You'll still log in with the old URL in the background, but on the customer side of things it'll be fine. It's kind of annoying. I wish Shopify gave you the option to change the URL, but it doesn't. So in saying that, I'm going to show you how to change the actual store name. It's very quick and simple, and let's go ahead with it. So the first thing you'll want to do, I'm assuming if you're changing your store name, you're also going to change the domain that's attached to your store name. So obviously to change your domain name, you click on your online store here, click on domains, and go ahead and once it loads, jeez. Alright, so this is a place here. You just go and buy a new domain name or connect an existing one or transfer another one over to Shopify, whatever you want to do, and then switch everything over to that new domain. Once you have that done, to change your actual store name itself, so the part that you actually have up here in the tab, or here on your section on here or down here, where it shows here Frustrated Dropshipper, to change that is under settings and general My Lord, Shopify, you're slow today. And then it's right here under store name. Just change it to whatever you want it to be. So that's it. It's really easy. But like I said, you can't change the actual Shopify URL. I've checked in with their chat support. I've checked online. That cannot be changed. But you can change the domain that you're registered to, and you can change the store details, store name under the settings. So all in all, on the customer side of things, they don't know that you at some point you changed the name. On your side of things, you still log in with the original URL. Bit annoying that it doesn't match, but that's all you can do. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget, if you did, subscribe to my channel. Like I said before in my other videos, I'm going to be releasing lots of these Shopify tutorials as well as other drop shipping related videos. So certainly follow me, check me out, and I hope you have a great day. See you later.